So we have read the uses of present continuous tense. We have read the four uses of present continuous tense, that it is used to denote an action that is really taking place at the time of speaking. Then the second one is that it is used to denote an action that is not really taking place at the time of speaking, but it is in progress at present. It means it has been started, but it has not come to an end. And the third use is that it is also used with the word continually, always. It means with the adverbs like continually, always, to denote or express a peculiar or irritating present habit. Okay. And the fourth use is that it is used to denote an immediate future action. So we have read all the four uses. But there are some verbs that are not used generally in present continuous tense. So some of the verbs, okay, for example, the verbs of perceptions, the verbs of appearing, the verbs of emotion, the verbs of thinking, and the verbs of positions. So these verbs don't these verbs are not used generally in present continuous tense. Okay. Now let us explain. Let me explain this. Now let us see the verbs of perceptions. The verbs of perceptions. Then the verbs of appearance. Then the verbs of thinking. Okay. Then verbs of emotions. Verbs of emotions. Verbs of emotions. And verbs of possessions. Verbs of possessions. So these verbs are generally not used in present continuous tense. Okay. Now verbs of possession. Verbs of possessions, verb of perceptions. Now let's see what are the verbs of perceptions. The verbs see, hear, smell, notice, recognize, etc. Verbs of appearance, it means the verbs like appear, seen, look, etc. Verbs of thinking, for example, think, consider, understand, know, etc. Verbs of emotions, verbs like feel, hate, love, like, dislike, want, would, desire, etc. Verbs of possessions have, belong to, consist of, etc. So these are the verbs that are generally not used with present continuous tense. Okay, and when these verbs are used, okay, in continuous tense, then their meaning change. Okay, for example, I think, I think he is not guilty. He is not guilty. It means its meaning is changed. Here I think he is not guilty. It means कि मुझे लगता है कि वह दोषी नहीं है. But in this sentence, I am thinking of, I am thinking of going to London. It means I'm considering. It means I am considering whether I should go to London or not. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.